When you look at the population of automotive technicians in the United States approaching 1 million people, and you look at the certification level of technicians across the board, one of the things that becomes glaringly obvious is that we have a lot of work to do to empower technicians to embrace these new technologies.
This iSCAN conference has been fantastic. We've really been looking forward to it as well. I knew it was one of the first ones, so I was looking to see how well it would all come together.
So the class offerings are really good. The information they have out, getting to actually interact with the Autoland staff, I think is really big.
This is groundbreaking. Like, we need more of this. We need to have this kind of training be available to many more folks.
Great event, so I can really figure out what we're going to need to gear up for the future.
I love events like this, the interaction with other people in the industry.
Our goal is to make sure that they're empowered to do the jobs that they need to do.